Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to swap on Ledger Nano X. First, ensure your Ledger Nano X firmware is fully updated for optimal security and functionality. Next, install the Exchange app and the specific cryptocurrency apps for the assets you plan to swap directly onto your device. Finally, connect your Ledger device to the Ledger Live application and unlock it using your personal PIN code. This prepares your device for the swapping process. Once your Ledger device is ready, navigate to the dedicated Swap tab located within the Ledger Live application. Here, you will select the cryptocurrency you intend to send from your portfolio and specify the exact amount you wish to exchange. Immediately after, choose the desired cryptocurrency you want to receive in return from the list of available options. This sets up the core of your exchange. Before proceeding, carefully review all the transaction details presented on your screen. Pay close attention to the exchange rate and any associated fees to ensure they meet your expectations. You will then need to enter the receiving address where your swapped cryptocurrency will be sent. Finally, confirm these details on your physical Ledger Nano X device, ensuring everything matches what you see in Ledger Live. With all details verified, finalize the swap by approving it directly on your Ledger Nano X device. This usually involves pressing both buttons simultaneously. After approval, the transaction will be sent to the blockchain for processing. Please allow some time for the network to confirm the exchange. Once confirmed, your newly swapped cryptocurrency will automatically appear in your Ledger Live account, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.